Welcome to our channel. If you want to switch from your current Hulu plan to the No Ads plan for uninterrupted streaming, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to hulu.com. Log in with your account credentials to access your Hulu account. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and select Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Scroll down to the Your Subscription section to view details about your current Hulu plan and billing information. Step 4. Click on Manage Plan or Switch Plans to view available subscription options, including the No Ads plan. Step 5. Review the plan options and select Hulu No Ads from the available choices. The price difference will be displayed on the screen. Step 6. Click Review Changes to see a summary of your new plan, billing date, and any prorated charges or credits. Step 7. Confirm the plan change by clicking Confirm or Switch Plan. Hulu will update your subscription immediately. Step 8. Check your email for a confirmation from Hulu, verifying that your plan has been switched to No Ads. Your next billing cycle will reflect the new plan price. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.